SolveTech Academy, training professional leaders. Register now and become a productive engineer at SolveTech Academy. We provide online skillful training with a professional valid certification recognized all over the world, Cameroon, USA, Canada, and Europe, just to name the few. Remember, the world is going economically digitalized due to advanced technologies and some unforeseen health circumstances. We provide intense online and on-site demo hands-on practice in our core official programs like DevOps, DevSecOps AWS cybersecurity, programming, digital marketing, and web development with Python. We will enlighten you more about our training programs and its prerequisites as well as requirements to enroll. Who can study DevOps engineer? At SolveTech Academy, anyone can learn DevOps. Even a fresher with basic knowledge of Linux and one scripting language can learn DevOps. This means you must not have any certification but just the consistency and in basic scripting language like Python, and you're good to enroll the program. Some of the prerequisites in any of our training programs include a good computer with at least 4 GB RAM and 64-bit operating system and a fast Wi-Fi connection. Registration only requires applicant information, passport-size photo, email, and you chose your program. Fees are in 2 to 3 installments maximum with respect to the program chosen. We also provide other IT services like web designing with professional designer all around the globe, co-content writing, advert video creation and animation, search engine optimization, ads, DevOps work support and tech support. For more information and partnership, contact us at support@solvetechacademy.com or call +1 85668977776 or +2376541788586. Thanks for watching. We love having demo hands this season. Bye bye.